Hello everyone and welcome to New Tech Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Inspired by 50 Cent's performance during halftime of Super Bowl 56, today's topic is orienting the inputs on your TriCaster. Whether your camera is upside down, or you're upside down, or the camera is on its side, TriCaster can orient your shot just the way you like it without having to make any changes to the camera or what it's pointed at. So, you can find me in the club. Alright, so here we are in the TriCaster 2 Elite interface, and you'll see in my input number 2, I have our show host who is currently upside down. Is she a bat? Is she a magician? No, all it really is I have my camera in a different orientation. Now, you might see this happen if, say, you want to use, turn your camera sideways, if you want to get a long shot, head to toe kind of angle, or more commonly, if you're using a PTZ camera that's mounted to the roof, you're going to want to be able to flip that shot to make it look just the way you want. Okay, so before we put her in the virtual set, let's go ahead and orient that shot properly. And we don't have to log into the camera to do anything fancy. We can do it all directly from the TriCaster. Super convenient. All right, so to do that, we'll click on the gear icon here on input number 2. And under the input tab, under source, over here on the right, you'll see an option for rotate. All right, now you have a couple different options here. I can rotate her from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, 180 degrees, which will do the trick, 270 degrees, depending on just how your shot is oriented. Or you can do flip vertical. And check it out. Boop. There we go. And now that's exactly where she needs to be. You can also flip it over to flip the horizontal axis in case you have like some backwards imaging, etc. here. And now all I have to do is simply key out her source, and now, bam, now I have her on a virtual set exactly the way I want. So a couple of different ways that you can do this, play around with it, especially if you have some orientations that are a little non-traditional as far as bringing in your shots, but a very powerful feature, very simple, very cool. Phew, okay, that's better. So the input orientation feature is super helpful in taking full advantage of your cameras without having to do anything complicated. Now, like this tutorial? Want more tutorials? Then subscribe to the NewTek YouTube channel at youtube.com/newtekinc. You can also sign up for comprehensive NewTek product training at NewTek University, which you can find at newtek.com/newtek-u. And for more information about NewTek products and services, you can contact your local reseller or visit our website, newtek.com. And you can also sign up for a free online NewTek product demonstration at newtek.com/demo. And as always, if you're posting your work using NewTek products on social media, tag us using the hashtags NewTek, TriCaster, or 3Play. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again soon for another episode of NewTek Tuesday Tutorials.